The sun dipped low over Los Angeles, casting a golden glow across the sprawling estate where the Kardashian-Jenner clan gathered to celebrate a milestone that radiated love, legacy, and extravagance. Mary Jo Campbell, affectionately known as Grandma MJ, was turning 91, and her famous family pulled out all the stops to honor her with a party that was as vibrant and spirited as the woman herself. The event, held on July 26, 2025 at the celebrity-favored hotspot The Ivy, was a testament to the family's flair for grandeur and their deep-rooted devotion to their matriarch, whose influence has shaped their empire. The setting was nothing short of enchanting. The Ivy, nestled in the heart of LA, was transformed into a floral wonderland, with every detail meticulously curated to reflect MJ's elegance and charm. Tables were adorned with clear vases overflowing with multicolored roses, pink, red, and orange blooms that echoed the vibrancy of the birthday girl. The garden-themed menu was a feast for both the eyes and the palate, featuring fresh fruits, crisp salads, and cocktails that sparkled as brightly as the occasion. At the center of it all was a show-stopping orange sheet cake, its surface adorned with intricate floral designs in shades of pink, orange, and red, a sweet homage to MJ's timeless style. MJ herself was the undeniable star of the evening. Dressed in a rose-covered pantsuit that perfectly matched the party's theme, she exuded grace with her signature bob hairstyle framing her beaming smile. At 91, her energy was infectious, her wit as sharp as ever, and her presence a reminder of the strength that runs through the Kardashian-Jenner lineage. As her family, Kris Jenner, Kim Kardashian, Khloe Kardashian, Kourtney Kardashian, Kylie Jenner, Rob Kardashian, and Kendall Jenner gathered around her, the air was thick with love and laughter. The younger generation, including Kim's children, Chicago, Psalm, and Saint, Kylie's daughter Stormi, and Rob's daughter Dream, added a playful energy, their giggles mingling with the clink of glasses and the hum of celebration. Kylie Jenner, the beauty mogul at 27, captured the heart of the event through a carousel of Instagram posts, shared the following day. One image showed her sitting beside MJ, their smiles mirroring each other as they shared a quiet moment amidst the festivities. Kylie's black and white checkered mini dress hugged her frame, her dark hair cascading in elegant waves, while MJ's floral ensemble stole the spotlight. In another snap, Kylie and Khloe, radiant in a fitted black dress with white floral accents, embraced, their laughter frozen in time. A short video clip, posted by Kylie, showed MJ at the center of attention as the family sang Happy Birthday, her hand playfully touching her heart, as a guest called out, "Don't make me cry." The moment was pure, unguarded joy, a snapshot of a family united by love for their matriarch. Khloe, 41, brought her own warmth to the celebration, sharing selfies with her daughter, True, who clutched a trendy Labubu toy and flashed a grin that mirrored her mother's. True, along with her cousins, dipped their fingers into the cake's icing at MJ's encouragement, a playful act that had everyone laughing. Khloe's Instagram caption called True her best friend, a nod to the tight-knit bonds that define the family. Kourtney, ever the chic older sister, arrived with her baby boy Rocky cradled in her arms, her cream-colored maxi dress with floral embroidery complementing the party's aesthetic. A black leather jacket added an edgy flair, a reminder of Kourtney's ability to blend sophistication with rebellion. Kris Jenner, MJ's daughter and the family's powerhouse, poured her heart into a tribute that encapsulated MJ's impact. "Happy birthday to my mommy, MJ," she wrote on Instagram, calling her mother the heart and soul of their family. Kris praised MJ's strength, elegance, wit, and wisdom, crediting her for teaching her what it means to be a strong woman, to work hard, and to lead with love. "You are forever my role model," Kris concluded, her words a poignant reflection of a bond that has weathered decades. Kris's presence at the party was a quiet force, her pride in her mother evident as she mingled with guests and ensured every detail was perfect. The event wasn't just a celebration of MJ's 91 years, but a reflection of her enduring influence. MJ, Born Mary Jo Shannon, has long been the backbone of the Kardashian-Jenner clan, her wisdom and humor shaping their values and their approach to life's challenges. Stories of her past birthdays flooded social media with throwback photos from her 85th, 87th, and 88th celebrations resurfacing, each one a testament to her role as the family's queen. At her 85th, Kim shared a photo booth snap with MJ and her children, while her 87th saw Kendall posting a stunning black and white image of a young MJ in a polka dot dress. For her 88th, Courtney included MJ in her legal wedding to Travis Barker, a moment that underscored her centrality to the family's milestones. Their 91st birthday bash was a blend of nostalgia and new memories. Kim, ever the documentarian, filmed MJ as she made her birthday wish. Her voice soft but clear. "I wish this would never end." The sentiment hung in the air, a reminder of the fleeting nature of time and the preciousness of these gatherings. The great-grandchildren, including Stormy and Chicago, followed MJ's lead, tasting the cake's icing with gleeful abandon, their laughter a bridge between generations. The menu, printed on elegant cards, detailed a spread that was as thoughtful as it was luxurious, with every dish designed to evoke the freshness of a summer garden. The Ivy's outdoor setting amplified the party's charm, with the LA breeze carrying the scent of roses and the sound of clinking glasses. Guests, including family friend Shishi Bussy, mingled under the warm July sun, their conversations punctuated by bursts of laughter and the occasional camera flash. MJ, ever the storyteller, regaled her family with tales from her 9 decades, her vivid recollections, a treasure trove of wisdom and humor. Chloe, in her Instagram post, marveled at MJ's ability to remember every detail, writing 90 years of brilliance. And boy, do you have stories. The party was more than a celebration. It was a moment to pause and reflect on MJ's legacy. Kris, in a confessional on a recent episode of The Kardashians, had spoken candidly about her mother's frailty at 90, a rare glimpse into the family's vulnerability. Yet, at 91, MJ's spirit was undimmed, her smile as bright as the roses that surrounded her. The event was a reminder that for all their fame and fortune, the Kardashians are a family bound by love, grounded by a woman whose strength has carried them through triumphs and trials. As the evening drew to a close, the family lingered, reluctant to let the moment slip away. MJ, surrounded by her children, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren, was the picture of contentment, her rose-covered suit a symbol of a life in full bloom. The Kardashians, known for their larger-than-life personas, showed their softer side, their devotion to MJ a thread that ties their past to their future. The party was a lavish affair, yes, but it was also a heartfelt tribute to a woman who, at 91, remains the heart of their world.